Ever since the day that you went away, you've been sending flowers to me, flowers today, flowers today.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'll be showing you how you can achieve this look that I'm wearing right now. I wanted to keep it very natural and simple, and I think you are going to surprised to see how easy this look to achieve. Also, I have used very affordable product in this video, and link for all the products that I have used in this video are given below. So yeah, if you are interested you can check it out. This look is perfect for summertime and easy to achieve. If you want, you can wear it onto your date or to office or something like that. So I really hope you guys enjoy watching this video. Please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Thank you so much for watching. Let's get started. And don't forget to hit the bell icon below so that you can get notified every time I post a video. Before applying makeup, make sure you wash your face with a gentle cleanser that will support your skin type so that all the dirt from your skin gets removed and you have a clean face to begin with. So I will start off by massaging my face for at least 1 minute. Facial massage stimulates the circulation of blood towards the skin and also helps in cell growth. It also helps in the prevention of fine lines, new wrinkle formation and tightens the skin. The next step is to apply some good moisturizer for prepping the skin. Here I am applying Nivea cream onto my face and spreading it all over my face with the help of finger. Using the right kind of moisturizer for your skin can help maintaining its balance. It also reduces the chances of skin problem and the appearance of other blemishes onto your skin. It also helps in fighting wrinkles and keeps our skin hydrated all through the day. If you have a dry skin, then look for a cream based moisturizer, and if you have a oily skin, then look for a lotion instead of cream based moisturizer. After moisturizing my skin, I am applying Nivea Fruity Lip Balm onto my lips. The skin on your lips is much thinner than your facial skin, so it is very important to keep lip balm to ensure lips remain well hydrated and moisturized all through the day. So always apply some lip balm or Vaseline before applying any lipstick or any kind of product onto your lips. So for concealing my dark circle, I am using Miss Claire Full Coverage Concealer. I am just taking very small amount of concealer onto my fingertips and applying it under my eye area, blending it well with the help of my fingers. This concealer conceals dark circles, blemishes and dark spots. It gives high coverage, yet this formula is very lightweight. It has a very smooth and creamy texture, and that's why it blends very well and gives a natural finish to the skin. For priming my face, I am using Inside 3-in-1 Long Lasting Primer. I am taking a very small amount of primer onto my fingertips and applying it onto the areas where I have large and open pores. Primer creates a barrier between the skin and the makeup and helps to create a smooth canvas. By filling in scars and pores, it reduces the wrinkles and fine lines to create a flawless skin and base. It also reduces the look of pores and ensure that your makeup stays long. So for the foundation, I am using Maybelline New York Fit Me Matte and Polish Liquid Foundation, and my shade is Sun Beige. I'm just taking a little bit of the product on the back of my hand and apply it onto my face in the dot form and especially under my eye area, and blending it well with the help of my fingertips. If you want, you can also use any foundation brush or beauty blender if you have at your home. This foundation is made to fit diverse Indian skin tone, and also this foundation works very well for normal to oily skin. If you are looking for a natural looking medium coverage liquid foundation, then this formula fits well for you. Using the same product for multiple purposes saves money, time and space to keep the product. So now I'm going to show you how you can use an ordinary blush to do your eyeshadow. Since blushes are not as pigmented as normal eyeshadow, so make sure you use a good foundation or concealer to get a good pigmentation on your eyes. Good base also helps to prevent creasing on your eye area, and our eye makeup stays for a longer period of time. The eyeshadow will instantly brighten the eye area and the whole face look bright and awake. You can already see the eyes are looking fresher than before. For doing the eyes, use any of your brow pencil that matches your natural brow color. Now start filling in your brows with light upward stroke of the pencil. Blend the color with the help of a spoolie. Apply some mascara on the brow and eyelashes so that this can give you a natural look to your eyes. So for the blush, I'm using this pink shade on my cheeks. You can also use any pink or peachy shade of blush that you have at your home. If don't, you can also use your any pink lipstick as blush. Just take a very generous amount of blush onto the brush and apply it onto the apples of your cheeks and blend it well with the help of the brush. Make sure you don't extend your blush lower than the tip of your nose, and the best place to put your blush also depend on the shape of your face. As you can see in this picture, you can apply blush according to your face shape to get more flattering look. At the end, just apply eyeliner to give a nice flattering look, and I like the line to be thin when it is winged. I think that suits me better, but you can do whatever eyeliner style you like.
So for the lipstick, I'm using a pink shade from the L18 Color Pops collection, and my shade is C11. I'm just applying 1 or 2 layers onto my lips to get a subtle look, blending it well with my lips. If you have a very dark lips, then you must apply a foundation or concealer on your lips before applying any lipstick so that the color of the lipstick stands out more.
So for the highlighter, I am using Swiss Beauty Brick Highlighter 01. So I am starting off by applying highlighter on the inner corners of my eyes. For applying the highlighter, just take a brush and use it to apply a bit of highlighter from the temples to the top of your cheekbone in a C-shaped curve. You can apply a layer for a subtle effect or apply multiple layers for a more intense highlight. Also apply a little bit of highlighter on the tip of your nose and blend it well with the brush. Now it's time to highlight your brow bone. The area just below your eyebrows will catch a lot of light, so this is a nice area to highlight. So try swiping highlighter on the outer edge of your brow bone. And at the end, just blend the highlighter with the help of your fingertip or any blush brush or kabuki brush to get a finished look. So this is the final look, you guys, and I am really loving this natural pink look on my face. Do let me know in the comment down below what do you think about this look, and before leaving, don't forget to subscribe to this channel and hit the like button if you have enjoyed watching this video. And thank you all for tuning in today's video, and I will see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye, tata.